Nik Bakers is famous for their lavish desserts, cookies and cakes, and their elaborate savory delights. Chef Nikhil's experience and passion for creating freshly baked and uniquely designed products is what contributes to its success. And Nik Bakers has quickly become one of India's most recognized bakery brands.
Hi, my name is Nikhil Mittal and I'm the pastry chef and founder of Nik Bakers. I started this brand in year 2006 with one outlet and 12 team members, and right now we have 19 locations and 700 plus team members. It was my dad's dream and my passion for baking that led Nik Bakers to one of the largest European bakery chains in India.
As Nik Bakers grew its portfolio of packed, longer shelf life products, printing high-quality manufacturing and best before dates, batch details, and retail prices onto product packaging has become imperative.
After due research and consideration on various parameters, we procured one Domino AX printer. It addressed our printing requirements and helped in boosting productivity.
The AX-Series has an easy-to-operate user interface which enables faster message creation, editing, storage, and retrieval.
We have been associated with Domino for more than 7 years now and are completely satisfied with their printers and service support.
In their journey towards automation and productivity improvement, Nik Bakers' team believe that Domino Cloud Services and coding automation are going to add tremendous value.
As Nik Bakers grows, Domino as our coding partner will also grow with us. Thanks Domino, we strongly recommend you.
Thank you Domino for the support.
Thank you, Domino.